Trikonasana, or triangle pose, is a foundational yoga posture that stretches and strengthens the body while improving balance. Here are some tips and secrets to mastering Trikonasana effectively and safely. Step-by-step guide. Starting position. Stand in Tadasana mountain pose with your feet together. Take a wide step, about 3 to 4 feet apart. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees and your left foot slightly inward, about 15 degrees. Align your right heel with the arch of your left foot. Engage your legs. Keep both legs straight, but avoid locking your knees. Engage your thigh muscles to protect your knees and keep your balance. Hips and torso alignment. Open your hips so they are facing sideways, not forward. Stretch your torso upward before reaching sideways to maintain length along the spine. Arms and side stretch. Raise your arms parallel to the floor, palms facing down. Reach forward with your right arm, keeping your side body long, then hinge at the hip to lower your right hand. Hand placement. Place your right hand on your shin, ankle, or the floor outside your right foot. Avoid placing it directly on the knee to prevent strain. Extend your left arm straight up toward the ceiling, aligning it with your right arm. Head position. Gaze upward at your left hand, or look straight ahead if your neck feels strained. Keep your neck relaxed and aligned with your spine. Breathing. Breathe deeply and steadily. Focus on lengthening your spine with each inhale and deepening the stretch with each exhale. Hold the pose. Stay in the pose for 5 to 10 breaths, or as long as you are comfortable. To come out, press firmly into your feet, engage your core, and return to standing. Key tips and secrets. Engage the core. Keep your core active to prevent collapsing into the pose and to support your spine. Microbend the front knee. If you're prone to hyperextending, maintain a slight bend in the front knee to protect the joint. Use props. If reaching the floor is challenging, use a yoga block under your lower hand for support. Maintain alignment. Imagine you are between 2 panes of glass to avoid twisting your torso. Keep your shoulders stacked over each other. Don't overreach. Focus on lengthening the spine rather than how low you can reach. The quality of the stretch is more important than depth. Focus on your feet. Press evenly into the feet to create a stable base. Rooting the back foot firmly can help maintain balance. Progress gradually. Start with a smaller step if the wide stance feels too intense, and gradually increase the distance as your flexibility improves. Avoid collapsing the chest. Open your chest by slightly rolling your top shoulder back. This helps in better breathing and alignment. Common mistakes to avoid. Overarching the lower back. Keep your core engaged to avoid strain on the lower back. Twisting the torso. Avoid turning your chest toward the floor. Keep it open and aligned. Straining the neck. Keep your neck neutral if gazing upward feels uncomfortable. Benefits of Trikonasana. Strengthens the legs, knees, and ankles. Stretches the hips, groin, hamstrings, and shoulders. Improves balance and stability. Stimulates the abdominal organs, aiding digestion. Relieves stress and back pain. By practicing Trikonasana mindfully, you'll develop greater flexibility, strength, and a deeper connection to your body.